Bruce, honey! Bruce! Can you stop looking at the TV for a second? I'm going shopping. You are in charge of Monica. I'll be back soon. Yay! Daddy time! First, I'll warm up some milk. Come here, fishy.
Huh?
Oh no! Don't scare the fish! Sit here and read a book. The milk! It boiled over. Looks clean to me.
Huh?
Oh no! Monica, stop it! You are not supposed to draw on the walls. Stay here. I want cookies, but I have to get them first. Oh no! Come here! Dad, you are so fun! Uh-huh. I'm home. It's Mom. She's back. I'm saved. Honey, we have been waiting for you, but I have to leave. Sweetie, Dad has an important mission in space, but I'll be back soon. 10 years isn't that long. Here's a doll to remember me by. Draw a Squid Game guard on paper. Color it. Cover it with tape and join 2 pieces. Stuff it with cotton and cover the hole. Thank you, Dad. See ya. It's time to brush your teeth. Here's a toothbrush. Can you handle it? Sure. I don't want to brush my teeth. I want to play with the tap. I see. Are you done with your teeth? Yes, Mommy. I have an idea. Toothpaste with a tap. Wow, I love it. Wow. Brushing my teeth is so much fun now. It worked. Sweetie, why are you so sad? I miss Dad. He's so far away. But this doll reminds me of him. I know what we're gonna do. Let's draw a postcard for Dad. Pick your colors. Fold a sheet of paper like this and draw a box. Can you color it? Sure. The postcard is done. Wow! Dad will love it. Wow. Come on, let's send it. Are you ready to take a bath? I don't wanna. A bubble bath. No. Okay, I'll be right back. You like swimming and drawing? These are special bath markers. Wow! I will take a bath. I'll draw Mom and Dad now. Here's a new marker. Thanks. The princess met her prince and they lived happily ever after. Could it be? It's Dad. I'm home. These are souvenirs from space. My girl, you are so grown up. Daddy, I missed you so much. It's so good to be home. Put a jacket on. It's cold outside. Mom, I'm going to a party, not the park. Okay. You look good. You're leaving? For a party. Have a great night. It's a disaster. Don't panic. I'll fix it. We're gonna cut off the excess. Done. Do you like it? Wow, that's so stylish. Thanks. Bye. Mom! Look at this amazing purse! Oh yeah, it's nice. How much is it? Here's the price. Oh, it's too expensive. Mommy, please! Ask your dad. Daddy, what do you think? I like it. Get it. Wow! Purchase! Oh no! It's sold out! I didn't make it! Don't worry. I have an idea. Surprise! Prime some CDs and coat them with acrylic paint. Build a cube. Glue a cap on. Add a clasp. Put in a lining bag. Fasten a chain to be a handle. Wow, Mom! It's incredible! Wow! Congratulations on your purchase! Dad didn't even see the difference! A pizza! I love pizzas! Yummy! Who will get the last slice? Let's decide it fair and square. Whoever hits the target gets the last pizza slice. Cut a pizza box. Fasten the sides. Paint an avocado with eyes and a mouth. Cut out a hole for a seed. Aim better! There you go! Yes! It worked! I taught you well! Her stuff is all over the place again! What is this? A diary? I'll take a look. Wow! Oh! Mom! Did you read my diary? How could you? Sweetie, I just peed. I am so sorry. I won't! Get out of my room! I don't want to talk to you! Monica, sweetie, I'm sorry. Can I come in? No! Go away! What should I do? I know! I'll make Monica's favorite treat.
Oh!
Just blend a sponge cake with a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Make balls out of the mixture and put them on sticks. Then refrigerate. Melt milk chocolate. Dip the cake pops in it and add sprinkles. Done!
Huh?
Sweetie, I made your favorite snack! Cake pops! Just like when I was a kid! Thanks, Mom! Truce? Truce! Baby, what are you doing? Playing a maze game! You should read instead! No thanks! Too bad! My phone died! At the worst possible moment! And the charger doesn't work! Monica is really upset. I have an idea. I'll be right back. Here! But the phone didn't charge. Look at the case. Make maze pieces out of foam paper and glue them to a phone case. Shape sides. Add 2 balls and cover them with plastic. Wow! A real maze! Thanks, Dad! You're welcome! Girls, I have a surprise for you! Water? What will you pick? I'll take more! small one. Is that cotton candy? Dip it in the water and you'll see. It's candy!
Huh?
What did I get? Take the wrapper off. My favorite candy! And I got $100. That's unfair! It's the thought that counts. Sweetie, I want to give you a picture. This is me at work. Wow! Thank you, Dad. This photo deserves a nice frame.
Oh!
I'll cut it out to fit a plastic cap and add sequins. Then I'll put in Dad's photo. Wow! And attach glitter foam paper to the back. Wow! Nice frame! And my dad is always right next to me. Hi, babe. I bought a new doll for you.
Huh?
Cute. Put it with the others.
Huh?
She doesn't like it. What is she interested in? Squid Game. Fine. Surprise! A Squid Game doll. Wow, Mom. She's perfect. Thanks. You are the best mom ever. You're welcome, sweetie. What a day! I need a break! Monica, clean up your stuff!
Huh?
Not now, Mom! I'll deal with it later! Okay! Mom has a sneaky plan! A clothing monster comes to life at night. It worked! Is it morning yet? Is the monster gone? I'm gonna clean up all this stuff. That's it! The monster doesn't stand a chance. It worked! What a terrible day! Sweetie, what's wrong? That new girl is bullying me! Nobody hurts my daughter! Let's start with Wrestling 101! Whoa! Repeat after me! What do we do with that bully? Destroy her! Break out the Voodoo doll! Come on! Teach her a lesson! Take that! Take that! I think it's enough! Now we can calm down! What's going on here? College troubles! This is not how to solve your problems! Chocolate is a great way to settle an argument! Trust me!
Okay.
Chocolate! Mom might be right! You again! This is for you! A gift! Me? Oh, thanks! I really want to make friends! It's morning! Today is my birthday! Yay! Hang on! Where's my gift? Look at the watch!
Huh?
The arrows are directed to the kitchen! What's there? Yum! Here's a note! Go to the living room! Fine! A
Oh!
secret message!
Huh?
I'm so confused! Here are 3D glasses! Write a message on cardboard with blue and red pencils. Add drawings. Look through a blue and red filter. Oh, I see! Look in the closet! Surprise! Happy birthday! Oh, wow! Thanks! Mom, Dad, I want to throw a birthday party. Here's my guest list. Whoa! That's a lot! Let's not disappoint our daughter! We're gonna throw an awesome party! This is clearly not the party I wanted! I'm hungry! Wow! Persimmons! I love it! I'll have one! So good! I can't stop! Whoops! I accidentally finished it! There are only stems left! I'll make a fake persimmon and nobody will notice it! Fill an orange balloon with synthetic stuffing and cotton. Tie and cut off the excess. Attach a real persimmon stem. Make a few pieces and lightly sprinkle them with flour.
Oh!
Hi, Dad! Hi! Oh, persimmons! I'm hungry! No, Dad! They're not right! Don't eat them! Want to play ball? I don't want to! What about badminton? That's boring! Okay. I know how to cheer you up! A cup pyramid! That's interesting! Now try to knock down as many cups as you can. Like this! Cut pieces out of cardboard. Hot glue them. Glue in a tube. Coat it with acrylic paint. Put in a moving piece and fasten it with rubber bands. Fill it with cardboard shells. Wow! Let me try it! You just have to hit the target! Yes! Victory! My turn! Quality time spent with your family is priceless!